Today video we're gonna talk about how to replace the handheld barcode scanner. I've got a scanner, 2D scanner, GM4400 BK. I'm just gonna replace the scanner. So all you need is first screwdriver, remove the back cover like you're seeing now. Now remove the it's called filter, I think, just to protect from shorting circuit. So you need a torque scanner, and remove the screw. There are 2 screws that need to be removed. And then once you remove them, just put it, disconnect it. Now it's time to disconnect the battery. Carefully remove it out. It can be quite tricky. Here it is. So now this is the old faulty one, so it's gonna throw it away, and I'll put the new one. So this is brand new scanner battery. Throw away something to the net like this. Alright, just slide back into the scanner and then put the yellow cover, slide in, and connect the battery connector, and then put 2 screws back in place. Now sometimes you have to pair the scanner. If you unpair them, you have to repairing them after you put into the base unit, and just do the test. Usually when you unpair them, there's a barcode you can download off the internet. Just search the model number and unpair the scanner to the base, and you just, when you want to pair the device together, just put it back into the base. It will automatically pairing. This can be tricky to put this static cover plastic. It's called conductive plastic powder. And I drop it. So let's try one more time. Give it another go and see what it's tricky. Hold it down and going. Done. Oh my goodness me, that's took ages. Never mind, it's in there now, so I just screw it back in as much as you can screw in here. Make sure they don't become too loose. Just tight. And job done. Just like that. Put it in charge. This is the base one. Alright, thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.